Looking for compact plants that bring beauty without taking up much space? Mini indoor plants are perfect for desks, shelves, windowsills, and small apartments. Despite their tiny size, they offer unique colors, textures, and charm while being easy to care for. In this video, we'll explore the amazing mini indoor plants along with their common and botanical names. Let's get started. String of Hearts, Ceropegia woodii, is a miniature trailing plant that transforms any indoor space into a living display of elegance. Its slender vines carry perfectly shaped heart-like leaves decorated with beautiful silver patterns, creating a natural necklace of greenery. As the stems grow longer, they gently cascade over shelves and hanging planters, adding movement and charm to your decor. Hidden beneath the soil are tiny tubers that store water, making this plant surprisingly resilient. With bright, indirect light and occasional watering, it rewards you with lush growth and delicate beauty, proving that the smallest plants often leave the biggest impression. Baby rubber plant, Peperomia obtusifolia. It stands out for its thick, glossy leaves that look as if they've been carefully polished by nature. This compact indoor plant stores water in its fleshy foliage, making it wonderfully forgiving if you occasionally miss a watering. Its neat, bushy growth fits perfectly on office desks, study tables, windowsills, and small shelves without taking up much space. With bright, indirect light, it maintains its vibrant green appearance all year. Simple to care for yet striking to look at, this tiny plant proves that elegance doesn't depend on size, it grows naturally in every leaf. Nerve plant, Fittonia albivenis. It catches attention with its dramatic network of colorful veins that spread across every leaf like delicate natural artwork. Instead of relying on flowers for beauty, this mini indoor plant turns its foliage into the main attraction. Shades of white, pink, or red create striking contrasts against rich green leaves, making even a small pot impossible to ignore. It thrives in warm, humid indoor spaces and enjoys consistently moist soil without becoming waterlogged. Compact, vibrant, and full of character, the nerve plant brings a bold splash of color and texture to desks, shelves, and terrariums alike. Polka dot plant, Hypoestes philostachya. It looks as though an artist has playfully splashed paint across its leaves. Its vibrant green foliage is sprinkled with eye-catching pink, white, or red spots, creating a cheerful display that instantly brightens any room. Despite its compact size, this mini indoor plant has a bold personality and easily becomes the center of attention on desks, shelves, or windowsills. It grows best in bright, indirect light, which helps keep its colorful patterns vivid. Charming, lively, and full of visual energy, the polka dot plant brings a fun burst of color to indoor spaces all year round. African violet, St. Paulia ionantha. It proves that a tiny plant can steal the spotlight without growing tall. Its perfectly arranged rosette of fuzzy green leaves creates a natural stage for brilliant blossoms that seem to float above the foliage. Available in shades of purple, pink, white, and blue, each bloom adds a splash of color to compact indoor spaces. This miniature beauty prefers bright, indirect light and rewards gentle care with flowers that appear again and again. Whether placed on a coffee table or office desk, African violet brings lasting charm, vibrant color, and a graceful touch to every corner of your home. String of pearls, Curio rollenus, is one of the most fascinating mini indoor plants, with long trailing stems covered in tiny bead-like leaves that resemble a delicate strand of green pearls. These unusual spherical leaves are specially designed to store water, making the plant naturally drought-tolerant. As the vines grow, they create a stunning cascading effect that looks spectacular in hanging pots or elevated shelves. Bright, indirect light helps maintain its healthy appearance and encourages steady growth. Unique, elegant, and unlike almost any other houseplant, String of Pearls adds a modern, artistic touch to any indoor plant collection. Zebra Haworthia, Haworthiopsis attenuata, is a compact succulent that stands out with bold white stripes decorating its deep green leaves, giving it the appearance of tiny zebra patterns. Its pointed leaves grow in a beautiful rosette, creating a naturally sculpted look that fits perfectly on desks, shelves, or windowsills. Built to store water within its thick foliage, this mini indoor plant handles occasional neglect with ease. It thrives in bright, indirect light and needs only minimal watering to stay healthy. Stylish, resilient, and space-saving, Zebra Haworthia is a perfect choice for anyone wanting an eye-catching plant with effortless appeal. Jade plant, Crassula ovata. It begins as a tiny succulent but slowly transforms into a charming miniature tree, making every year of growth more rewarding than the last. Its plump, oval leaves shine with a healthy glow, creating a fresh and vibrant display in any room. This compact plant is known for its remarkable longevity and can remain a beautiful companion for decades with basic care. Requiring only bright light and occasional watering, it asks for very little while offering lasting beauty. Small enough for any corner yet impressive in appearance, the jade plant is a classic choice for every indoor plant lover. Button fern, Pellia rotundifolia. It brings a soft, woodland charm to indoor spaces with its graceful arching fronds lined with tiny, perfectly round leaflets. Instead of bold colors or dramatic flowers, its beauty lies in its gentle texture and elegant form. The delicate-looking foliage creates a fresh, calming atmosphere while remaining surprisingly easy to maintain. This miniature fern thrives in bright, indirect light and appreciates lightly moist soil to keep its lush appearance. Compact enough for shelves, desks, or tabletops, button fern adds a touch of timeless greenery and natural elegance, making even the smallest corner feel peaceful and inviting. Baby tears, Solirolia soliroli. It creates the illusion of a soft green cloud with its countless tiny leaves growing on delicate, thread-like stems. Instead of standing tall, it spreads into a dense, cushion-like carpet that instantly adds freshness to any indoor setting. Its fine texture makes it look almost like living moss, bringing a gentle, peaceful feel to shelves, terrariums, and decorative pots. This miniature plant enjoys bright, indirect light and consistently moist soil to maintain its lush appearance. Compact, delicate, and wonderfully unique, Baby Tears transforms small spaces into vibrant pockets of living greenery with effortless charm. Mini prayer plant, Marantha leuconura, is a fascinating indoor plant that seems to come alive as the day ends. Its beautifully patterned leaves lie open in daylight but slowly fold upward in the evening, creating the appearance of hands joined in prayer. This natural movement makes it one of the most captivating mini houseplants to observe. Rich green foliage highlighted with striking red veins adds beauty even when the plant is still. Thriving in bright, indirect light and moderate humidity, this compact plant brings movement, color, and a touch of nature's magic to any indoor space. Chinese money plant, Pilea peperomioides, is a cheerful mini indoor plant instantly recognized by its perfectly round, cone-shaped leaves balanced on long, slender stems. Its clean, modern appearance makes it a favorite for minimalist homes, office desks, and small shelves. As it matures, tiny plantlets often emerge from the base, allowing you to grow new plants with ease. Bright, indirect light helps keep its foliage vibrant and evenly shaped. Compact, stylish, and full of character, the Chinese money plant brings a fresh, contemporary touch to indoor spaces while proving that simple shapes can create extraordinary beauty. Moon cactus, Gymnocalycium mihanovici, is a miniature indoor plant that instantly captures attention with its brilliant red, yellow, orange, or pink top sitting above a vibrant green cactus base. This unusual combination is created by grafting two different cacti together, giving it a colorful appearance rarely seen in nature. Despite its striking look, it remains compact and easy to maintain, making it perfect for desks, windowsills, and small spaces. It thrives in bright, indirect light with minimal watering. Bold, unique, and full of personality, the moon cactus adds a vibrant splash of color to any indoor plant collection. Living stones, lithops. This is the most extraordinary mini indoor plant, perfectly shaped to resemble smooth pebbles rather than living greenery. This remarkable disguise helps them blend into rocky landscapes in their natural habitat, protecting them from hungry animals. Each tiny plant stores water inside its thick, fleshy leaves, allowing it to survive long dry periods with very little care. During the blooming season, a daisy-like flower emerges from the narrow gap between the leaves, creating a surprising display of beauty. Compact, unusual, and endlessly fascinating, living stones are true botanical wonders that make any indoor collection unforgettable.